Good morning students. In this video we will learn about the kinds of materials. We see a wide variety of objects around us and these objects have different shapes, size and color. हम अपने चारों तरफ बहुत सारे objects देखते हैं जिनके shapes, size और color different होते हैं, even their texture. They are also made up of different materials. Some are made up of paper while other are made up of soil and mud. Some may be made up of plastic and others are of glass, wood, metal, fiber, leather, etc. These all are the examples of materials. So we group the objects on the basis of these types, these points. हम objects को इन points के basis पे grouping करते हैं. First one is materials that are made of. वो material जिससे वो बने हुए हैं. And the second one is their shapes, according to their shapes. Therefore, the process of grouping things on the basis of some criteria is known as classification. इसका मतलब है अगर हम objects के group बना रहे हैं किसी भी criteria पे कुछ basis मानकर like material or their shapes, that is known as classification. इसका मतलब classification होता है. So this is the definition of classification. Let's do an activity to group objects on the basis of material they are made of. अगर हम objects को उनके मटेरियल के बेसिस पर डिवाइड करते हैं सो वी हैव टू रिक्वायर दिस मटेरियल लाइक अ पेंसिल, अ शार्पनर, एन इरेजर, अ मग, पेन, पेंसिल बॉक्स एंड एट्सेट्रा. यू कैन कलेक्ट वॉट एवर यू हैव. आपके पास जो भी इजीली अवेलेबल है आप वो कलेक्ट कीजिए. एंड व्हाट इज़ द प्रोसीजर? आइडेंटिफाई द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच आर मेड अप ऑफ प्लास्टिक एंड विच आर नॉट मेड अप ऑफ प्लास्टिक, दैट इज़ नॉन प्लास्टिक. आप ऑब्जेक्ट्स को दो कैटेगरी में डिवाइड करेंगे, एक जो प्लास्टिक से बने हुए हैं एंड द सेकेंड वन जो प्लास्टिक से नहीं बने हुए हैं. एंड इन दिस वे यू विल गेट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. यू क्लासिफाइड द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑन द मटेरियल विच आर मेड अप ऑफ, दैट इज प्लास्टिक और नॉन प्लास्टिक. सो हेयर वी सी पेंसिल इज मेड अप ऑफ wood, so it is non-plastic, and sharpener is made up of plastic. So in this way you can classify all the objects that present around us. Objects are made up of different materials, like different object around us made up of many different materials. As you see, there are lots of pictures showing this example that objects are made up of different materials. Chair is made up of wood and the pressure cooker is made up of metal, and a glass vase, book is made up of paper. So on this basis let's categorize them on materials. First material is metal. From metal we have nail, hammer, tool, brain, pipe, steel utensils, etc. These all objects are made up of metals. The objects that are made up of plastic are toys, scale, lunch box, bucket, mug, chair, table, tray, etc. And the glass, tumbler, vases, decoration pieces, crockery and utensils. In the same way, the paper we have newspaper, bags, notebooks. With the wood we have tables, chairs, beds, and with leather we have bag, purse, belt, cot, seat cover, etc. We can also categorize and see the examples of objects which are made up of different materials, like dresses. Dresses can be made with silk, wool, synthetic fiber, etc. Same with furniture. Furniture can be made with wood and metals. And jewelry can be made with metal, and few of are also made with some crystals and plastic. So that's all for now.